next genetic disorder. Earlier we finished the Down syndrome. Today we start with Turner syndrome. Turner. Turner syndrome. Underline it. Now I am writing the name of the scientist who discovered this. Henry Turner. So it is called as Turner syndrome by the name of the discoverer in 1938. Discovered the disorder Turner syndrome. This is a disorder which is related to the allosome abnormality. Allosome is the sex chromosome. Sex chromosome is also called as allosome. In this disorder, one of the sex chromosomes is missing completely or partially. So the number of the standard normal number of chromosomes in human is 44 plus XY, that is 44, 45, 46. Here, one number is missing, one sex chromosome is missing, so it becomes 45. 45 number of chromosomes. Turner syndrome is detected in female. Now, how it is formed? For the egg, which is free from allosome, that is X-free, abnormal. When joined with is formed normal Y chromosome. So it leads to the 45 chromosomal condition. This is a genetic disorder and it is identified at the time of the birth. In this disorder, what happens? These neck symptoms are neck is death and deposition of water on the hand and feet. This condition is called lymphedema, and also there is a condition when this genital area is restricted. This condition is called microgenita. Genita means jaw, little jaw, so reduced chin. This is a disorder of the female. Female has defective reproductive system. And identification of this Turner syndrome by the identification or diagnosis. I am writing diagnosis by karyotyping test. Then earlier we finished the autosomal disorder, that is Down syndrome. Today come to the genetic disorder Turner syndrome due to the deficiency or missing completely or partially one of the X chromosome. So the number is 45. It is female. Now after this, any question?
No, ma'am.
So I am moving to the next sex disorder. Rubbing this. Rubbing on the knee. Before this, as I earlier explained, the definition MOSAIC, mosaicism, is the abnormal genetic condition in which some of the cells of the body has normal chromosomal number, while other has defected. For example, in the Down syndrome, trisomy of 21 chromosomes. Internally, we have studied the deficiency or defect or missing of the allosome, sex chromosome, while the other cells have normal chromosome. This condition is called mosaicism. Now today KLLINEPE filter in 1942. This is the axis of or trisomy of sex chromosome, sex allosome. So again disturb the normal standard number, that is 46. It is 47 chromosome. There is a difference between Down syndrome and Klinefelter. Down syndrome having the 47 karyotype, but it is an autosomal. There is a 21 chromosome. Here it is the increase in the sex chromosome, not the autosome. This is the main difference. So in this Klinefelter syndrome, 2X chromosome. This is the condition. So 44 plus 45, 46, 47. It becomes 47. I am taking the rest of 47. And this Klinefelter syndrome is in male. So here the male has one X chromosome. So it develops the characteristic of the female. And in this case, in this male, the testes are rudimentary, not well developed, male reproductive system is not well developed, and body is thin just like female. Now today we finish these two, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. And you know the difference between Down and Klinefelter. In both the cases, karyotype is 47, but Down autosomal. Klinefelter sex allosomal deficiency or increase of one chromosome, and Turner syndrome 45, one sex chromosome, one allosome is missing. Next week we start the next disorder. You have any question?
No.
If you have, I am here. No question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. We meet on the next time.